Hi, this is Ashley Hill and Amy Baxter, and we have decided to do a systematic literature review on the PBIS incentives. We decided to do this review on the impact of a positive behavior and intervention support system in the early childhood elementary school setting. So we're going to talk about the importance of the study and why we specifically chose to do it. Throughout the world of education, schools are always searching for ways in which to help improve and encourage positive behavior from students in order to help them learn better. One program that is gaining in popularity for its success in schools is the use of the Positive Behavioral Intervention and Support Program, also known as PBIS, and that is how we will refer to it from now on. From Kelm, we found research saying that PBIS is a systems-level approach that is used in schools to build a positive school climate and culture and support the teaching and learning environment for all students and teachers in a school. Right here we've included a tier approach picture where you can see where it is discussing the impact of instructional and positive behavior support for the different levels of students and classroom use. And PBIS works for all students. You can see that throughout this. No matter what level the students are being serviced, PBIS can still be used for them. We also focused on different types of motivators for the PBIS program. So by building motivation for positive behavior in the classroom, students begin craving the outcome of behaving up to the expectations of the program, and they begin to anticipate what will come of their behavior. One such motivation strategy for increasing positive behaviors in the classroom that we looked into was the mystery motivator. The mystery motivator is exciting because students are working towards a prize, yet they don't know what the prize is, giving it the name of mystery. We looked at Wesley and Mattini. They discussed mystery motivators in their research, and they stated that mystery motivators are recognition tools based on a lottery-like system that allows a person to select from a variety of high and low value prizes for his or her engagement in targeted positive behaviors. Okay, so then we looked at what specifically did we want from this research? What did we want to see from PBIS? And we came up with 3 questions. Question 1 was, how can PBIS influence better classroom behavior? Question 2 is, what strategies are used for PBIS? And then the third question, which is, what PBIS can have, is the rewards that are given based on the strategies provided. Okay, we used a variety of methods to carry out this research, and they're still using a variety of methods as we continue the research. And so we said that our target age range is early childhood students from pre-K through 5th grade. As we both are early childhood teachers, we wanted to focus on the students that we impact each day. Our focus is positive interventions to use in the classroom and the school setting. And then we also looked at a variety of databases. We specifically focused on Galileo, ERIC, EBSCO Host, PsycInfo, psychology journals such as ProQuest. And then we used quite a few articles and books, and we tried to make sure that they were focused on being published from 2000 to the present year because we wanted to get as current of data as possible. Then we came up with a coding system. What we did is we broke it down into each intervention that we wanted to focus on. So the interventions we decided to focus on were mystery motivators, positive reinforcement, behavior contracts, token economy, behavior report card, social stories, and the raffle system. And we chose to give each of these interventions a code letter, so we labeled them as either A, B, C, D through G. And then as we found articles that were associated with each intervention, we would number that article as either A1, A2, A3, A4, depending on which article it came in our system. So how will these findings benefit the practitioners in our field? Well, we hope that they're going to be extremely beneficial to our fellow educators because they are going to help students to become better behaved in class. And when all the students in the class are behaving as expected in a classroom setting, the students are going to feel and be safer. If students are acting out and one student is taking focus of the teacher, then it can cause situations in which students may feel unsafe, or they may actually be in an unsafe situation because the teacher is focused on another behavior going on in the classroom. The students will also work more productively. The students will have more time focusing on instruction instead of the teacher needing to redirect bad behavior. And then the students and the teacher will also have a healthier communication when they both feel like each other really respect each other in the way that they behave towards one another. The teacher and the student will be able to build stronger relationships. And then in the end, we did include our references that you could look at if you had any more questions about the research that we conducted.